about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
You want to be against the garage door?
No, I like the Dutchie in the background. Well, hello everybody. Thanks for stopping by to check out the next episode of Driving Miss Allie. And yes, I am filming.
All right.
So this episode came from out of nowhere. I was planning on doing a tour of our new home in this episode, but that kind of got scratched and put off to the next episode.
It's
maybe,
coming.
but it is coming. Maybe if something don't happen to the next episode. But this episode, we had something happen that we thought you guys might be interested in, so we decided to film it. It just came out of the blue.
Kind of made itself.
Yeah, it kind of did. So, Dave, you want to give them just a little bit of history of how we got to where we are right now?
When we bought the rig, it had a cracked windshield, and part of the deal was their insurance is going to pay for it. First windshield was shipped to us, and the shop that it was shipped to broke it. So we had a second windshield shipped to this body shop, a different body shop, and that came in, and the invoice and everything was correct. And as soon as we got the right part, come on down, we'll put it in. So we thought it'd take a day, dropped the motorhome off, came back around 3 o'clock, and they're just installing it, so we thought it was perfect time, and we could film the windshield going in. They put the sealant around the window, and it's all looking good until they got the window up there, and it was the wrong size. It was too small.
Oh, my goodness.
That was at like 4 in the afternoon, so what are you going to do?
Yeah, we're completely unprepared. We've got, what are you going to do? We're here with no windshield. So Eric, the guy who owns the business, man, what a super great guy. Hooked us up with a spot over here in the side yard. Yep. Even got an electrician over here to hook us up a 30-amp power supply so we could have some electricity. He has bent over backwards.
Yep.
I can't say enough nice things.
Yeah, it wasn't this shop's fault. The problem happened at the distribution center.
Yeah, the problem happened before it got here, so it was in no way
this shop's fault.
This shop's fault.
So the invoice on the outside of the box was correct, and so this shop thought they had the right windshield. But once they got the windshield out, and there's a little folded up piece of paper at the bottom of the box, and that had a different part number on it. Finds out our windshield is for a Fleetwood Excursion,
yeah,
not a Dutch Star.
What a mess. Well, here we are.
Here we are.
Yeah, take a look at the episode and see what you think of it.
The new windshield's on its way, but it's not. You're going to get here in time for this episode, so hopefully when it gets here, it will be the right one.
Maybe.
I come and sit down with me in a rocking chair. Coffee pot is nice and hot. We can sit in our underwear. Tell me about the dreams you had last week, swimming all around with the fish in the sea. Come and sit down with me in a rocking chair. For a couple of days or even just an afternoon. We'll be looking up and we'll be looking down. We can wave to the people in my hometown now. Come on, baby, let's fly up to the moon. And I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. Take me all around to the thinking places where you spend your time.
We'll get on the ladder, I'll bring it to you.
Dave, you get the center. Center too.
Y'all two in the middle are going to step up on the step while we hold it on the outside and then we'll hand it up to y'all. All right, you ready? Hands. Just keep your hands in the box. Yep. You probably want to get up higher than that. I am. Hold the box. Check it, Judge. Take your time. Be careful with it. All right, now. All right. in your way.
Yeah, your way.
Yeah, hold on. You gotta come down.
Is that even the right windshield for us? Going like 40?
Nope.
That ain't the right windshield.
Oh no.
You get about an inch gap on the bottom. How much you get? That ain't about the right windshield. All right, come back down. Be careful.
Oh no.
Holy cow.
Back to the car, boy.
This is a highly emotional moment. We've been trying to put the windshield in the rig, and they have the old one out and it broke, and they tried to put the new one in and it's the wrong size, and now we have a gigantic hole where our windshield used to be. Well, we are staying right here. They done slapped some plastic up on the windshield and gave us a spot out in the side yard. So nice of them. The owner of the business, even called in an electrician and had a 30 amp put in so we could have air conditioning even though it's not hot. But so yeah, we got the slides out. We're living the life over here. I don't know what else to say. I feel like Matt Damon on The Martian. Have you ever seen that movie? It's a great movie, but you know Matt Damon, he's always getting stuck somewhere or lost somewhere. We are always having to go rescue Matt Damon from somewhere. This time we had to rescue him from Mars, if you'll remember correctly. And in the movie, he blew up half of his little pod thing, and he had to tape it up together with plastic and gray tape, and that's what this looks like right here. I'm not going to grow potatoes made in doo-doo. I'm just not going to do it. If we have an emergency situation, I'm telling you right now, I'm not growing no potatoes in my doo-doo. Just saying.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our roots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey.